Oh, the smell of the plastic and box. Oh my gosh. Oh, music, please. Hi guys. Hello everyone. Mommy Ann and the Wilsons on the go. Mommy Ann on the go. Mommy Ann and the Wilsons on the go. I am just so excited. How's everybody doing? April Fools. Yes, it is April Fools, but I am not fooling everybody around. And that's the first thing I saw. I told my sponsor, not my sponsor, actually my husband, when he finally told me that he got me this thing. And what is this thing? My sponsor is my husband, really. So, guess what it is, guys? I'm sorry, I can't hide my excitement. I am just so excited. Oh my gosh. A happy wife is a happy life indeed. I am just so happy. I'm just so excited that he got me this one. He really did. Oh my gosh. But initially he told me, no, you can't have it. This is, guys, the MacBook Air 13-inch. It's in rose gold and 8 gigabytes, 256 GB, 2 Thunderbolts, Touch ID, backlit keyboard, FaceTime HD camera, and pre-installed Mac OS. I just can't. Are you ready? Are we ready to unbox this? Oh, it's so new. MREF2. Are you ready, guys? OMG! Alright, that first slice. And believe it or not, all the iPhone cases and all the iPad, not cases, boxes. One day I'm gonna make a vlog about it because I still have all of it from my iPhone 3 until right now, and my husband's also. So, oh my gosh, I feel like it's so delicate to cat. By the way, this is my very, not my very, I should make a comparison. I'm gonna need to make a comparison with my, when I first got here in America, my very first computer, my very first laptop was a MacBook. And for some reason, it just did not work. And I had it fixed. It could not be fixed. It's still working, but it's not to its maximum already. Yes! I'm just so excited, guys. Look what I got. Oh, the smell of the plastic and box.
Oh, the smell of the plastic and box.
Oh, the smell of the plastic and box. Oh my gosh. Oh, music, please. Alright. Okay, too much. But I'm really excited. I'm really happy. Oh, I can't. Hopefully, I'm not gonna break it. I'm not gonna drop it. I'm not gonna break it. Oh, are you ready, guys? Open it with me. Oh, this little. I can't remember the very first. How was I feeling at that time? Okay. Well, I opened it this way. So it came obviously with. Oh my gosh, the charger is so small now. It looks like the charger of the phone. Of the iPhone. So here are the chargers. No, charger. How would you know which one's for the phone? Look, it's so little. Oh my gosh. Ihas lang, ihas. Suri na, good suri na. I'm just so excited. Look at that. It's so little, just like my phone's charger. And what else do we have here? Of course, the documents. Oh, MacBook Air. Oh my gosh, and the stickers. Oh, touch what? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm gonna do another. Is this is just a reaction video when I open it. I'm not over exaggerating it. I am just extremely happy because it came in a surprise. I did not expect my husband to get me this one. I just did not expect my husband to get me. Look, feel how light this one is, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's move this to the side so we can see everything. Yes, 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 yes. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Well, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, let's open it. Are we ready? Oh, make a formal video unboxing. This is formal. So let's open the whole entire thing. There you go. And it comes with this plastic to seal it. Alright. About that excitement. Now let's move that to the side. Alright, this is how little it is and this is how light it is. Yes. So let's see. This is the way to open it on this side. Alright, let's try it. Voila! I love that it is a rose gold. Yes. And so it comes with this protective shield. Oh my gosh, and it is already starting up. How did that happen? I did not press anything. Is that how it is? Alright, it is starting up already, guys. Do you see it? Okay, now let's figure this thing out. Can we? Do we? Will we?
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Alright. Return key. What? English. Okay. English, of course. Let's turn it on for the first time. It turned on by itself. Welcome. In just few steps, you can register and set up your Mac. Let's do that. Create a computer account. So let's try to create a computer account. Customize settings. The features and settings below will set up for you, or you can customize the setting yourself. Enable to ask Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri is ready. Touch ID. Use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac and make purchases with Apple ID. Start by placing your finger or thumb on Touch ID. Okay. Lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. Alright, let's continue. Choose your look. Setting up your Mac. That quick. It actually lasted for like 10 minutes and we're all set up. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This is my new MacBook Air 13-inch rose gold, and I will be back for a review on this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Again, for those who are always here to support us in our live stream and in our videos, thank you so much. Have a good one, guys. Bye. I love you.